In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your downloads in Google Chrome. Whether you're trying to track down a recent file or simply want to manage your downloads better, I'm here to walk you through this straightforward process. So, let's dive in and master this simple yet essential task. To start, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon that you usually use to access the internet. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see a series of icons next to your profile picture. Among them, there's a menu or three-dot icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu, which is your gateway to several key browser settings and features. Now that you have the drop-down menu open, look for the option labeled Downloads. This option is easily identifiable because it often has an associated icon resembling a downward arrow or a small list. Clicking on Downloads will redirect you to a new tab where all your downloaded files are listed. Here, you should see a chronological list of all files you've downloaded through Chrome. This list includes helpful details like the file name, the date you downloaded it, and the source website. It's your personal download history at a glance. Moreover, if you've downloaded a lot of files and need to locate something specific, you can use the search bar above the list. Simply type in part of the file name or a keyword related to the download. Chrome will filter the list to match your search query, making it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for without the need to scroll through a long list of downloads. If you're having trouble locating a very recent download, there's another quick method. Close the Downloads tab and shift your attention back to the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll notice another icon resembling an arrow pointing downwards next to the three-dot menu. This icon typically provides an even quicker access to your most recent downloads. By clicking on this icon, a small drop-down will appear, showing the latest files downloaded. This is a handy feature if you're frequently downloading files and need quick access. Lastly, if you need to manage your downloaded files further, such as moving them to another folder on your computer or deleting them, simply right-click on any entry in your download list. This action gives you several options, including Show in Folder, which will open the file's location on your computer, allowing you to manage it as you see fit. You've now got a full understanding of how to check and manage your downloads in Google Chrome, ensuring you can efficiently track and retrieve all your files with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher.